Hello YouTube. I'm going to do just a quick update on the C4 and the blown trans. It is raining cats and dogs out, and I've been working a lot of hours at work. I had to work Saturday, and I'm not feeling too well. I'm with the weather, and I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but it is raining cats and dogs out there. Talking to cats. The kitten's still here. If anybody wants the kitten, if he wants to go back inside, I don't blame him. I did get under there for a few minutes. I lowered the trans down just about an inch and was able to get the C-beam out, no problem once I did that. I did get it while I was under there. I did go ahead and disconnect the shift cable, a couple of the wires, and the trans valve cable. Fluid did come out when I bolted the trans valve cable. And I was going to unbolt the cooling lines, but I started to get sick from laying underneath the car. I guess I'm just not with the weather today, so I'm just going to take it easy, go back in the house. Maybe I'll do a video on more data logging, a little more video on that. So, but that's it for today as far as this. I'm with the weather, and I'm going to take it easy. I hope everybody has a happy day. Oh, here's that C-beam. If no one knows what a C-beam out of a C4 is, it's all gunked up. Usually these are just bare aluminum. When last time I had this out, I went and just coated it with, I think I had like an extra can of leftover undercoating or something, and I just went ahead and sprayed it on there. It's just a lightweight aluminum beam. This end here connects to the transmission housing, and the other end down there that connects to the nose of the differential. And that's it for today. I hope everybody has a happy day. Subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to keep up to date what goes on with it. I'm trying to increase my subscription base, so please, if you watch the video and you want to keep up to date, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, and hit the notification bell. That also doesn't cost anything. Thank you. Thank you for watching if you're watching, and please leave comments. Leave comments if you want updates or more info. I'll be happy to provide it. If you want to leave advice for me and the other viewers, please do that. Have a nice day, and God bless.